How to sell on Poshmark. Well, to sell or to list items on sale for Poshmark, you'll have to install the app and open it up. I've already made a video on how you can log in or sign up to the account here. Once on the app, you can see the sell option down below. You can see feed, shop, and in the middle you can see sell. Tap on sell. Now you'll have to enable the camera first. So tap on enable camera and make sure to enable the camera for Poshmark. And once you have done so, now you can proceed to take the picture. So what you'll have to do is it involves taking high quality well-lit photos up to 16, then creating a detailed title and description once you have taken the image, right? So allow it, and you can see category here, photos, 16 photos. You can add up to 16 photos here, and then category, and you can select subcategory. You can select the brand and price and size available that you can set, and then tap on next and go through the prompts to add in other necessary details, and you can proceed to list it for sale. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.